Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to hide all your photos on Facebook at once. This process is quick and easy. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Facebook app. Here we need to tap Menu on 3 lines at the bottom. Then we should scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy, and in appearing menu tap Settings. Now we need to scroll down and find Audience and Visibility, and here we need to tap on Profile and Tagging. Now under Tagging we can see who can see posts that you tagged in on your profile, and we need to tap on this option. And it will give you 3 main options: Friends of Friends, Friends, Friends Accept, and you can tap on More and see 2 more options: Specific Friends and Only Me. And if you want to hide all your Facebook photos, you can just tap on Only Me. And it means that only I can see any post on my timeline, including photos and everything, and photos where I was tagged. And they hidden from everyone. And you can select only specific friends, you just need to tap on it. And choose some friends from the list, and only they and you will see your photos. Or you can say all of my friends, except certain people. That's all. It was how to hide all your photos at once. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.